What's good, everybody? It's Rob back with another video. Yeah, I have here a case for the OnePlus 6T from TopAce. Yes, TopAce is one of those discounted company that gives you cases that kind of look like the big boys. Now this particular case costs $7.99 on Amazon. I will leave the links and everything down below. This case does have the carbon fiber look on the top. That's a the slippery brush metal effect right there. Does have the cross patterns that's familiar with the Abrasion brand. You can get this case in different colors here, and like I said, I'll leave the links to those down below. Also, if you just don't want the black one, it does have a soft TPU material, real easy to install. This is for minimal protection. Let's check it out. Again, like I said, it does remind you of one of the big boys, Abrasion, with the carbon fiber pattern up top, brush metal in the middle. Let's check the buttons out. No problem, broken in, nice and tactile. Also, I like how it has a nice little cut right there for the ear hole. All the ports are on point, no problem, and it has a minimal lip for a little bit of lay down on face protection. The camera is recessed like all these TPU bumper cases are. You really don't have to worry too much about the OnePlus camera. It doesn't sit out sit out from the phone like other phones cameras does on other phones. It's real nice, like this a lot. Again, $7.99 on Amazon. Does have this anti-slip grip that they advertise to help prevent the phone from sliding out your hand, but it's a nice look. I really like this case. Again, $7.99 Amazon, and I'm going to leave also the other colors and their prices and links also in the description. I think you can get your choice of all 4 cases just with the one link I'm going to send you guys. So other than that, this is the TopAce case for the OnePlus 6T. This soft silicone TPU case is nice. Again, thanks everybody for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave that down below also. Other than that, I'll catch everybody in the next video.